Hey everyone, welcome to the Shortwave channel, and this is what I'm going to unbox right now. A boombox, a small boombox that I saw on Amazon for something like 50-ish Canadian dollars, 50, 55 Canadian dollars. So I thought, well, let's check it out. It has shortwave, so kind of looks like a boombox from the past. It's Sylvania brand, which of course doesn't mean anything. It's like Grundig today. These brands, they just are names now. And of course, this is probably a El Cheapo little boombox with shortwave, Bluetooth, AM, FM, and cassette player, SD card player, and all. So let's open the box. Let's open the box. See what's in here. So carefully packed. We have instruction manual, which is very small. Two of them, one in English, one in French probably here. And then here, this is how it's packed. Let's check it out. And here we go. Comes with a power cord, which is nice. Little power cord. So this is could be a kitchen radio, basically. First observation, I'm surprised at how heavy it actually is compared to, say, the J21U that I had reviewed. It's surprisingly heavy. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Battery compartment here. So you can actually put the batteries. Well, that's tough to open. So it takes 4 D-sized batteries, as you see here, and next to it is the power adapter slot, so you can plug in the power here. So on the top, of course, you have the functions. You have the different button for play, rewind, and so on. The tuning knob. Tuning feels tight, but fair. Buttons seem, on the other boombox that I reviewed, the buttons seem flimsy. They actually don't on this one. They almost seem better. So there's a bass and a volume control on the left side. There's the SD card reader. There's an USB. Of course, they have their own little buttons here to move on. Carrying handle. Kind of a neat looking little boombox here. When you look at it, you could see here the transformer for the power, which is right there in that compartment hidden. This is where there's vents because probably takes a little bit of power. Kind of interesting. So this is a nice little device. I'll be making videos, of course, checking out its performance on shortwave. So this is going to be nice to see. And like I said, Sylvania brand. Looking at any model number here. So it's model number. It's kind of small to read. SRC232BT or something like that. So shortwave covers. So shortwave 1 from 3 to 11 megahertz, and shortwave 2 from 3 to 13 megahertz, sorry. And shortwave 2 is from 13 to 23 megahertz, something like that. So it covers all the major shortwave bands. AM from 530 to 1710 kilohertz, and the FM on top, which goes down to 88 to 108. So kind of a neat looking, and like I said, I'm surprised at the weight of this little thing. It isn't that big, as you see, but hope that you enjoy the videos when we start talking about it a little more for this Sylvania branded boombox. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.